This is emergency alert system. This last see the man what's he ride a truck, he kill people, crash the car they're driving somewhere in October. Last day this October 2014 30 their kill. Last time this morning close door and close windows, duck over the table there kill many people in 2014 October 30th and 7th feet and green there many please stand by. He kill everyone this last morning he got my brother lost. Guys, I think got alone.
Oh, is that's a catemojibabyheat is back.
Shot the green.
Okay, Brian. This is an Amber Alert effective for the entire city of Orlando and surrounding cities. This message is being transmitted at the request of the National Center of Missing and Exploited Children in conjunction with Cartoon Entertainment and the Orlando Police Department. A cat has been reported missing at the children's show that has just opened an hour. Age: the cat is an orange male, 3 years of age, 3 feet 8 inches tall. Weighing at 45.2 pounds with orange ear and black eyes. He was last seen wearing a yellow mom shirt, a brown dad, both bought from the green dad, black jeans and black shoes. The baby was reported to be following the evil female and evil male, abusing with Boba, as he stated he had a gift for him. But he never left the room. Minute after being brought into the room the child is believed to be in school bus of life-threatening danger. If you manage to find a kid, call the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children at toll-free 1-200-749-4738-3694644864484 and please report the child location as soon as possible, or residents are recommended. 56 9,347 octillion 447 septillion 533 sextillion 558 quintillion 900 quadrillion 632 trillion 784 billion 384 million 838,383 and look disappearance.
this alert ready there kill everyone in the school the high school the last day the people screaming has got over knife that he wear a 1 years and 2 green and blue the alert ready.
Good morning. This project by catemojibabyheat by mom and dad and the child he by the evil villain this morning the school and through in 2013 catemojibaby is back now there crash many car in emergency alert system the warning by project and 305,685,0996 and kick the school bus the alert system.
The following message has been transmitted by the United States Some of the guys I'm watching the sun there kill 1 to 678 sextillion 364 quintillion 864 quadrillion 637 trillion 372 billion 828 million 263,638 the last tour the catemojibabyheat had to kill by following message there kill people in the city there by 4 1 time and 9 million destruction city in deck 20 and there kill the people and left the sky some kill people once the people has to be kill the toilet and food and water there kill 1 2 3 there's some the catemojibabyheat and he fine long day. Evacuation order for the city of New York. The following message is transmitted at the request of Mexican Police Department of New Mexico Country Emergency Log Management Residents. Call 911 the HTBS can be moved to Vurik Skunk Skux Chicks Yacht Size of Suchi X on Xlock 6 Xfield High Energy John Head Sharks Stocks 6 Eyes of 6 Rope John Joe Size 6 Stars and Chicks CSI X Liquid EW Like Quest Book Quality Currency Site Cedar